Hai and Assalamualaikum. So, saya Zujanis. Hari ni saya akan present tutorial kita orang untuk buat web application di Centos. First, saya akan tunjuk macam mana untuk configure web server punya firewall punya VM. So, first kita akan pilih language. And then untuk installation destination, kita ambil VBox hard disk dan lepas tu untuk server selection, kita ambil server with GUI. Alright, and then network and host name kita on kan untuk dua-dua, endpost 3 and endpost 8. Lepas tu kita apply lah. After that just tekan done. Okay, lepas tu kita kena tunggu kejap untuk begin installation. Ni untuk firewall punya VM ya. Alright, okay, settle, dah boleh install. And then kita kena set lah root password. And then kena add user untuk firewall punya VM ni. Lepas settle, kita dah boleh pergi terus ke terminal. Okay, settle. Okay, saya akan cut terus ke terminal firewall. Alright, so first kita akan masuk dalam root lah, root firewall ni. And then kita guna command ifconfig untuk tengok properties network endpost 3 and endpost 8. Kita akan edit sikit kandungan dia punya kandungan dia untuk endpost 3. Untuk boot proto tu kita kena edit. By default dia DHCP, kita tukar kepada static. And then untuk IP address, subnet, network, broadcast dan gateway kita kena tambah lah semua sekali tu. Gateway tu kita guna laptop punya IP address. And then untuk on boot tu default no, tukar kepada yes. Sama juga kita akan buat benda sama dekat endpost 8. Boot proto static, tambah IP address sampai gateway. Untuk gateway tu kita pakai yang network 3, endpost 3 punya IP address. And then kita akan install HTTPD ni lah. Untuk HTTPD ni, since saya dah install dia bagi error, kita just perlu start and enablekan HTTPD ni. Okay, then okay, next to the next step, guna command ni lah, mask IP table ni. And then untuk tengok connection, guna NMCLID ni. Okay, endpost 3 endpost 8 dah connected. Alright, and then kita okay, lepas saya akan tunjuk untuk ni and dia punya end result dia. So basically kita kena alihkan lah endpost 3 tu from interface public ke interface DMZ. Okay, tu yang default dia, endpost 3, endpost 8 dua-dua public. So just kena alihkan lah from endpost 3 tu kepada DMZ. After settle alihkan, kita add HTTP and HTTPS service ni dekat both public and DMZ. Dua-dua kena buat. Okay, since kita orang dah install and already enable, dia bagi warning lah. Alright, done. Okay, and then next kita kena edit file ni. Ingat tu dalam file tu kena tulis kena tambah line ni, net.ipv4.ip forward equal to 1 tu. Tambah je yang tu. Lepas tu guna command yang next tu. Sama ikut ini. Lepas settle, just clear and then reload lah untuk make sure semua yang kita changes yang kita buat tadi dia take change dalam VM ni. Okay, settle. Untuk tengok perubahan dia, sekarang ni kalau saya gunakan IP address ni dekat Google, saya boleh panggil lah ni testing 1 2 3 ni, tapi kita orang dah edit. Alright, thank you.
Okay, we go to web server. First we put SU and then password. After put the password, type yum install httpd and then system ctl start httpd and then system ctl enable httpd and we type system ctl httpd status. Over here you can see this active running right now, this HTTP server. And then we clear, we put ifconfig, and then you can see over here is ENP0S3. And then we go to Vim. You can see over here IP address, netmask, broadcast, network and gateway already changed. And on boot we turn to yes. we save quit, and then we go to firewall and type firewall cmd list all zone DMZ. You can see two address right now, right here, and then we type firewall cmd permanent zone DMZ remove forward port. After success, we go to firewall cmd reload, success, and then clear. We type firewall cmd permanent zone DMZ at forward port. After success, we go to firewall cmd reload, and then success, we go to firewall cmd list all zone DMZ, and then clear. We go back to web server, and then we type firewall config we change runtime to permanent and public, and then the service we at HTTP, choose HTTP, and then we close, we clear, and then firewall cmd reload. After success, cd /user /share httpd index, and then we vim index.html. If you can see over here, this is our HTML. Right now I will change the title. We put final project NOS. We save and quit. After that, we type systemctl restart network, and then we refresh, and you can see the title changed to final project NOS.
Type MySQL, then make sure you need to install. Then use the table dormitory. After that, we need to create the table lah. For name this table is dormitory register. Then we set the ID as a primary key and also the auto increment. Then we set the gender type for the varchar, also the name varchar, also student ID, and the last room number. And we visit this for SQL. Then we need to set the firewall to add the MySQL port 3306, and then we need to reload after we configure. Then we need to check, is it already add? Yes, as we can see, already add. Then we need to put back the MySQL, use the database dormitory. Then we need to grant all the web server, also use the IP address in the web server. Make sure, web server. After that, we need to flush privilege to make sure that it already safe. And then restart the MariaDB. This is for the web server. For the web server, we need to vim this command to make sure the directory must be same and synchronized. Like yes, this part /var/www/html to make sure the directory must be same. Then go to the directory folder we set via the HTML. Then for this part we need to vim for the website what we need for the PHP. This is for the register, and then the table. So the success.php. But before I forget, in the register.php we need to rename the server name, use the IP address database 30.30, and also use the password for the database to make sure the synchronize. Also the table PHP, use the server name as a IP address database. Then use the password database. Then we need to restart HTTPD. Where we need set the bool to make sure the network must be on. That is for the command. We need to write the 1 to make sure the on the connectivity. Then we need to set back to make sure they have already on. Yeah, this must be important part. Then we need to restart. Restart HTTPD. Also restart the network to make sure everything must be refreshed. Then firewall also need to restart.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Shaiful, and here is our web application, the dormitory registration. So we are going to key in all the details that we need. The room number 24C, and we are going to hit the register button. So here it is. The registration is successful. So we are going to view the data. This is our table. As you can see here, we just key in Mary information. So we are going to key in another one. So here it is, another detail. So we're going to key in female sharing. The name is Cempaka. Student ID. Next, the room number 12C, and click the button. So the registration is successful again. We are going to view the data. Yes, Cempaka details is in the table. So next, go to our web server VM and go into the MariaDB, use dormitory table, and select all from the table. And yes, we can see the data in the table that we have been kicked in. And that is all from us. Thank you for watching. I hope you can gain something from us. Thank you.